Welcome to Raza Fun World. Let's go! Let's go! Fun World! Yay! Today we're going to play snow there. And do you know? Because today is let it go! Let it go! Just kidding.
So what do you have there, Raza?
I have a snow days box.
So what do you do?
It looks and feel like real snow. Let's see. It feel like real snow or feel not like real snow. It has a package like they have a snow day powder and have a scoop and a measuring cup.
Alright, let's open it now.
Wow. Ooh, so it comes.
What do you have inside?
Oh, we have a scoop. It's the scoop.
It's a screw. Lagi? What do you have there, Raza?
Snow day powder.
What's that, Zara?
Snow day powder. Butter.
So you want to make snow now?
Yes. You also don't forget this. You also come here. You also comes with. They want to put the snow inside.
Okay, where you can get the snow days?
Yes. You can get it from Smeagol. And for water.
No. We have the powder here.
Yes.
The snow.
After that,
And then we have 1 cup of water.
after that, put in here.
So what we gonna do now, Raza, Zara?
Now
so
we-
just put 1 scoop of the snow, 1 scoop of the snow into the bowl. 1 scoop only. Make it full. Make it full.
Full. Here.
Yes, put inside.
So let this.
Wow. Let's stir it now.
Whoa, didn't know now. Okay, now let's see the snow. Oh my god. Oh, I got idea. Let's make snowman. Yay! Now the snow is expands 100 times more original size.
Let's see. Let's see. Whoa. Wow, really like snow now. Look at that.
And do you know?
Snow is from here, the powder
To here.
snow.
This snow.
The under the table. Try to make a snowman now then.
Yay! Oh, let me take. Yeah. Oh no, this is a little bit difficult to make.
Okay, let's.
There we go. There we go. This is free.
Do you think you can make Olaf out of it?
Yes. Okay, let's take a little bit. Do that. Mix it, mix it. It's not working at all. Yeah. It's snowman. Let go, let go, let go. Yee.
Zara.
Kita pinong, kita bata. Kamu kekekele. We like the pinong. Papa.